telehealth, especially for caregivers, is great because a lot of times when someone is caring for someone in the home, it's not easy to leave the home and to leave them unattended, let's say, or I shouldn't say that, but alone. And so it brings flexibility in that they don't have to drive somewhere to an appointment. They can still be in earshot distance if something were to happen. And it really helps people schedule-wise. But the other thing is for some people, I know I talked about the in-person as an advantage, helping people feel more comfortable, but for some people, being in the same room, meeting a new person can be anxiety provoking. And so what we found with telehealth is that can be an advantage for some people. It can help kind of ease that anxiety and ease into the counseling experience and the relationship, which is really great. The other thing that helps with telehealth is for the individual themselves, the elder or the person who is ill, not being able to get out to appointments, or if they are able to get out to an appointment, it might be really difficult. And so we can reach more people. This is the thing, we can reach more people and support more people, but also it's better for our schedules too, right? To be honest. And therefore we can see more people, you know, logistically, I can see more people in a day than if I had to commute to the office and back. And so, or to commute to their house, because we've done some house visits also. I mean, that's a lot of time in the day. So those are some advantages, just a few that I can think of off the top of my head that are really great, you know, in this difficult time to be able to focus on, you know, something positive that's come out of it.